With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question they are saying, a person breathes in some volume of air by forced inspiration after a forced expiration. Now we have to select the correct option regarding this volume of air. So we all know that we have very well developed respiratory system in our body in order to facilitate the process of gaseous exchange so that we can obtain oxygen and at the same time eliminate the accumulating carbon dioxide from our body tissues. And for this gaseous exchange, the most important structure in our respiratory system are the lungs, because it is in the alveoli of the lungs that gaseous exchange is going to take place. So in order to ensure that these lungs remain ventilated or there is continuous movement of airs into and out of these lungs so that gaseous exchange can occur, we have to carry out a process of pulmonary ventilation, which is commonly also known as breathing. And we know that there are two steps in breathing. On one hand, we breathe in the atmospheric air. We take it into our lungs by inspiration, and when the gaseous exchange has occurred, then we expel this spent air from our lungs by expiration. So there are many different types of volumes and capacities associated with our lungs, and here we are saying that after forced expiration, then we are doing forced inspiration. So first we are expelling air from our lungs with the maximum strength, and then after this, when we have breathed out forcefully, we are going to breathe in forcefully. Then how much air we will be able to take in? So let's look at our options. First they are saying tidal volume. So tidal volume is not associated with the forceful inspiration or expiration. Here we talk about normal breathing. So the amount of air that we are going to expire or inspire during a normal breathing process, that will be the tidal volume, which is around 500 ml for the average person. So this is not our correct answer. Our correct answer over here is going to be option B, vital capacity, because in the vital capacity we are going to add up the tidal volume, because obviously the air that we are taking in during the normal breathing will be included here. But apart from the tidal volume, we will also have the inspiratory reserve volume, which is the additional volume of air that we can inspire if we take a deep breath. So this is going to be around 2500 to 3000 ml. And the ERV is also included here, the expiratory reserve volume, which is the additional volume of air that we can expel from our lungs if we forcefully expire. And again, this is around 1100 to 1200 ml. So when we add all of these up, we will be able to get the vital capacity, that is the maximum volume of air that we can inspire after a forced expiration. Because if we look at the other options, next we have inspiratory capacity. So inspiratory capacity is the maximum air that we can inspire, but after a normal expiration. So we have not forcefully exhaled, but now we are forcefully inhaling. So in this, we are not going to include ERV, only TV and IRV are there. So this is not a correct answer. And in total lung capacity, we have to add the residual volume also to the vital capacity. So the residual volume is not the air which is going to move in and out of our lungs. It is the minimum amount of air which always remains in the lungs. So we will not include this over here because they are asking about the air that we can inspire. So correct answer can be option B, vital capacity, where we are going to include our tidal volume, the inspiratory reserve volume, and the expiratory reserve volume. All of these three different types of volumes.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.